Namaste, welcome to Gita's Kitchen. Today we'll see how to make my family's all-time favorite snack. For making this snack, here I have taken 1 cup of or 1 bunch of fresh methi leaves, cleaned and chopped. To this add 1 tablespoon sugar and salt to taste. Now rub the methi leaves with the salt and sugar for a couple of minutes till it becomes very soft and smooth to touch. It will release water and it will become very soft. See, it has become very soft. Now to this I am adding 1 cup of wheat flour, that is our regular atta, 1 cup of plain flour, maida, 1/4 cup of grammflour or besan. This is 1 teaspoon of green chilli and ginger. I have crushed it into a paste. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of chilli powder, a pinch of hing. Now mix all the ingredients well together. Add in about 4 tablespoons of oil. Again mix everything well. Add water just a little at a time to make it like a puri like dough. And bring everything together. See, this is how your dough should be. Now we'll just cover it and keep it aside. Here I kept some oil for heating. We are going to deep fry this. Now take a large ball of dough. Just dust it with some flour and roll it out into a large puri shape. See that it is of even thickness all around. Now with a knife, or if you have the samosa chakri, you can just cut it out into pieces like this. Just see the thickness of this. Again make cuts so that you get diamond shapes. Just take out the pieces on a plate like this so that they don't stick to each other. When the oil is nice and hot, just carefully drop these pieces into the oil. While one batch is frying, you can roll out another batch and keep ready. After a few minutes, turn them over and fry them till they are nice and crisp. See, when the bubbling reduces and it gets a lovely golden color, drain it out from the oil. So likewise you can fry the remaining batches also. Just add in as much as the oil will hold. Don't add excess. And fry them over a medium to high heat. Likewise, fry the remaining batches also. After the Methi Shakkarpara cools down to room temperature, store it in an airtight box and you can enjoy it over a week. Our delicious Methi Shakkarparas are ready. Serve it with a lovely steaming hot cup of tea and enjoy it with your family and friends. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Gita's Kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Gita's Kitchen. Thank you.